Well, the experience with Aquaguard to us overall was excellent. The initial interview and the review of the, what needed to be done was extremely done very well by Mr. Hanson. He gave us a lot of education about the basement and the issue with water and the need for really protecting the basement from, flooding and protecting your house. Based on the education that he gave us, and also comparing what we have also learned from other companies, we felt that Aquaguard was a better company for us to work with, especially because of their experience and the type of examples that they've showed us of the work they do, and the type of complications other companies have had, in this type of business. Of course, this type of work is always expensive, so and I think that's kind of across the board. But in any case, the timing to do the job in terms of what they thought they're gonna do it, they kept to that. The crew did come out. Yes, we had a little language issue with the crew, but overall they were there. They came steadily, did their work, cleaned up the place, kept it nice and clean. And they gave us instructions as to how to leave the place dry, and we kept that. Things really worked out well. I would recommend them to do work, for you if you need the work done. And we enjoyed working with them. Thank you.